Welcome back again, ladies and gentlemen. It's fantastic to see you guys once again. The reason I've made this little video is to just thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. We are now over 10,000 subscribers, close to 11 actually. And I just wanted to say a huge thank you to you guys. And those of you that have subscribed recently and I haven't posted, don't worry, that's all about to change. But before we kick off with the tutorials that are coming your way this week and the week after and the week after next, is a little recap, a little thank you to you guys. I wanted to put together a quick little video to highlight some of the things I've been up to while I haven't been posting. As most of you guys know, I was in Vietnam for a little while. I was with the family out there, it was really nice. Came back and I had an exhibition battle that I needed to train for. So that kind of took up a lot of my time in the beginning because I needed to train. I was on holiday, I weren't training really at all while I was out there. Made you guys a tutorial and that was about it. But it was a 6-round exhibition battle, so I needed to train my rounds of course, but also my stamina, conditioning, cardio, so I can execute the moves in the later rounds of the battle.
I ain't done this in ages. Oh, just as painful as I remember. Necessary. Necessary though. All to protect that ego and not get smoked. It's funny, but that's reality. Let's go again.
I want the world, yeah, I want the world, yeah, I want it all, said I want the world, yeah, I want the world, I'm coming to get it, don't care what you heard, don't care what you heard, I'm taking it all cause I want the world, yeah, I want the world, yeah, I want the world. It's too easy feeling too comfortable, I don't think I can be satisfied. 2015 thought I had it all, watch it all slow down just overnight. Never forget about the younger life, wrong decisions led to sacrifice. A blessing in disguise got me working overtime. Now I'm on top like LeBron, I'm ripping the beats. I'm becoming the beats and they smelling defeat when they come for me. Everyone looking around and they wondering how did these blessings all come to me. Started recording in bedrooms and now I've been turning my name to a company. They copying all of my moves, they think I'ma lose, I think it's a compliment. I'm never gonna settle, I always want more, I'm counting accomplishments. They making up lies, they jealous inside, but work is what got me in. There's no time to waste, I'm busy like 24 hours a day, responding to every...
So that was fun. And then after that we come back, we went to Antwerp, Belgium for Unbreakable 2018. It was wicked, it was such a nice jam. And of course we won, so that was even better. And I was really proud of my guys, man. They really practiced hard for it. And Sonny got to the finals and lost in the finals, unfortunately, to Stripes. But you know, congratulations to Stripes. Fair play, he's dope as well. But yeah, you know, it was wicked. I had such a good time. I made a cool little vlog about it. If you'd like to see it, I mean, it's a bit lengthy, but if you want to check it out, do so. It's going to be linked here and in the description down below. Before you click that card, just make sure that you check with your parents first. There is like some foul language in there, and we do things later on towards the end of the vlog when we've been out and we've been partying. So it's a real insight to what we're like behind the scenes. So only check that out if you're, you know, over a certain age. Just bear in mind that there is strong language, and I know some of you guys are quite young. So yeah, don't click that link if you're not the right age. Anyway, moving on. Another cool little experience was I haven't done many crew battles with the crew for a while, so it was nice to go up to Birmingham for Break Mission, which is a cool jam in the UK. So it's a 5-on-5 qualifiers and ciphers. We went up there with 2 squads, 2 Maverick squads, 2 teams. Unfortunately, we didn't win that one. However, you can't win them all. Smack 19 won that, which is another UK crew. Very good, very talented. The jam is incredible. It was so well organised. And this year they've included the British Breaking League, which is a league for young up-and-coming b-boys and b-girls across the UK. One of my students was attending that event, and you know, he did pretty well. He got through to the semi-finals of that event, and he lost to b-boy Gustus, who again is another dope young up-and-coming b-boy. If you're out there and you're looking for a UK jam to attend, I definitely think Break Mission is one of them for next year. Also worth a mention, we have a brand new crew training spot. This space is in the office of Global Street Art. It's co-founded by an original Mavericks crew member from my generation called Lee Bofkin. Lee Bofkin has allowed us to train here as he runs an agency which connects street artists to big brands and companies. He does a lot more than that, but that's basically like the gist. But yeah, this space is incredible, and I couldn't help but make you guys a cool little video for you to enjoy. Check it. also the great thing is Lee's allowed me to use one side of the office to create you guys some incredible tutorials, which is fantastic, because space and having a big enough space to teach you guys some stuff has always been a little bit of a challenge for me to overcome, and now I kind of have a space that I can use. And also these last couple of weeks, months, they've been a blessing. As Soul Mavericks, we've had some really cool gigs, jobs come through. One, for example, was a collaboration with Puma and MCM, which is a big fashion brand, paying homage to Dapper Dan. There was one done in America, and I think B-Boy Tata and Big Daddy Kane was a part of it, and then they did one in London, and it was me, Spin and Sunny that was a part of it. It was a really cool little event, quite straightforward. They had loads of celebrities from the UK there. It was nice to sort of push our personal brand out there a little bit more.
And if you don't know who Dapper Dan is, you can check out these next couple of pictures. You can see that he designed the clothes for Salt and Pepper, LL Cool J, the jackets worn on the album cover of Eric B and Rakim's Follow the Leader, Mike Tyson's jacket Don't Believe the Hype, so many.
So I think some of you guys know, but I basically teach from Monday to Saturday. Sometimes I have Saturday off, sometimes I don't. And then during the half-term holidays, myself, Lee and Gavin from my crew, Soul Mavericks, we did this really cool fashion show. It was a really nice experience. I mean, it was hardcore, not gonna lie. It was from 9 o'clock till 8 o'clock at night sometimes. Pretty much rehearsals all week, every day, and then 7 shows a day for 3 days. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We had Thursday off, which was nice. The only bad thing about that was that I injured my knee after the first show, so we had to make some quick adjustments to some of the routines. And I've had that knee injury before, so I'm not too worried about it. It's a meniscus tear, a tiny one, so it's not like I'm completely immobile, but my knee's not operating at full function at the moment. I've seen the doctor, I have an appointment coming up with a physiotherapist. I'm going to be doing the similar rehab that I've done before. I will get better, I will be fine. It's just going to take a little while. However, I can obviously document that journey, document some of the exercises that I'm given by the physiotherapist, and hopefully either help you guys recover if you have a knee injury, or even better is help you prevent a knee injury. I'll be doing a lot of videos like that and conditioning and exercise, because obviously where's my knees messed up at the moment, I've been doing loads of exercise. I've noticed a lot of things that nobody really on YouTube addresses for the B-boy and B-girl community, and I'm going to try and cover some of those points. I'm going to try and get some members of my crew involved and have some discussions, have some more talks with you guys like this, but on specific topics. But ladies and gentlemen, I think that concludes this video. A massive thank you once again for subscribing to the channel, for taking your time out and watching my videos, watching this video. You guys are awesome. I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. So have a fantastic day, and we're going to chat real soon. Peace.